Oh, now you don't want the chicken?
What's going on, YouTube? Dorito here.
And the LuchaCabre over here with very special friends on a very special day. To my left, we have George Voodoo.
What's up, everyone?
To my right, we got Percy from the Rebel Arts Film Co. And over here, we got the multi-talented, multifaceted drummer, Trevis. And people, today we're going to be racing our Town Motors Baja 200 Sports. And my personal favorite, the Town Motors Sprinter. People, this little thing is going to show the big boys exactly how to race on our brand new wankle-shaped track.
Yeah, it's a rounded triangle. And Luch is kind of attached to this little cart.
This thing kicks butt, people.
He rode it out here and he says, I'm racing.
And I ate a bunch of dust.
And that
doesn't matter.
Yeah, that was not the intentions. We were going to race head-to-head with these, but Luch wants to go ahead and run this one.
This one's cool.
Yeah, so
it's
we're going to
just
try
cool.
it out. We're going to check it out. So we're going to get on with the first race, and we'll let you guys know who's going on from that. All
Stay
right?
tuned. We'll be back with more.
All right, race number one. We got George Voodoo against the Luch.
Big man against the little man.
So Luch is going to go ahead and run the Baja Sprinter. And which cart are you going to run the brand new Baja Sport 200?
Brand new Baja Sport.
The one with 35 more horsepower than the old Baja Sport.
So you've been on this track before, George. What's your opinion?
It's a fun little track, man. I mean, we haven't raced it too much, but
How do you think he's going to do against you?
I think this car's going to do pretty good against that one.
We're going to show the big guys in the little carts. We're going to take them over. We're going to run laps around them.
So let's get on with it.
Shall we?
3, 2, 1, go!
Well, looks like George has it.
George won!
And then Luch, take it over here.
What? Wait, George, you were racing around that track. How'd it feel to go sky high racing? What are we doing another one
Okay,
for? Get this crap out of here. You know, I tried to tell you, we don't need this crap, but you don't listen to me.
Told you 1,000 times, don't drink milk out of a carton can.